Hello everyone. So I made a Final Fantasy XIV app written in React. And so the main things that I did is it's a character search. So I can go ahead and give it a character name. This is my character in Final Fantasy XIV. It'll run an API call to first search on the back end, and then it'll run a second API call which takes the ID of that first search and then runs a different API call to give me a little bit more information about my character. So first up, it says my name now in the top left corner and a picture of my character in the top right. Here is all of the classes that I have unlocked on my character and what level they are. So the way that I'm doing this is actually fairly straightforward. Here is my code for this React app. As you can see, we have everything in the class app, or the class app, that's correct. And we're saving some things in state. So the main thing that happens is on each page there is a header. The header will hold the avatar of your character, which is being passed in through props, and then a character name, along with a link section. That way we can just get straight back to the home page from anywhere. And then where the actual magic is mostly happening is on the search.js. So first, let's go ahead and go into the character calls that are occurring. So the get character call will take elements from the form.js, which is just these input boxes right here. It'll take those elements and then convert them to variables. That way we can work with those values that we get inside. And then on submit, it'll run props.getCharacterCall. Now I'm passing this method in as props using this right here. That way I can actually take that data, or take that method, and then basically use it down inside of this form subcomponent. What it does is it'll run the first fetch with first name plus last name, and then a server name, and then convert it to some JSON and set some of the state. It'll set the lodestone ID, which is what we need to get even more information, because as you can see, this is the search URL, and it doesn't really give us a whole lot of information about our character. This is the URL using the lodestone ID right here, and it gives us a lot more, and more to work with. So after it has that lodestone ID, then it'll call this next method, get character data, with that lodestone ID. So with lodestone ID popped in here, and then it'll set that as state. So all of the data that's coming in from that character will get set as this character object within state. And then that state is then passed down as, or class jobs are passed down in that state, from that state, as props to the search.js function. And the search.js function will iterate through that jobs array, because class jobs is being sent in as an array. It'll map through them, create a unique key for each one, and then create a span with the class name and the class level. All right, well, that's it. I hope it was fairly easy, or fairly straightforward. You guys have a great day.